The time stopper experiment, one of the well thought science experiment. It points, does the time exists without motion? Imagine you have a magical button that, when pressed, completely stops all motion in the universe. This includes atoms and molecules, no vibrations and no reactions. Light, frozen in a place, no movement. People, animal, planets, and galaxies. Everything is motionless. Even clocks and your own body, except your thoughts. The only thing that keeps functioning is your consciousness, meaning you can still think and be aware of your surroundings. What would happen? First things first, no movement is equals to no change. Time is usually measured by motion. Example, a ticking of clock, the movements of sun, a beating of heart. If everything stops moving, there are no events happening to mark the passage of time. Without movement or changes in time, is time still passing? And seconds, your consciousness becomes struck. Even if your thoughts still function, but your brain is made up of atoms that are now frozen, how could you still think? Thinking itself is a physical process. Neuron firing electrical signals moving. So if everything is stopped, your mind should be also stopped. Meaning you wouldn't even realize the time had even stopped in the first place. Does time exist without an observer? Some theories suggest that time only exists because we perceive it. If no one can measure or experience time because their minds are frozen, does it still exist? If you suddenly unfreeze the universe, would anyone even notice that time has even stopped? According to scientific theories, time is related to motion. If nothing moves, time has no meaning. Time might be perception. If no one experiences, does it exist at all? Does time flow or is just a human made measurement? This experiment challenges whether time is actual physical thing or just a concept that we use to describe the changes in our universe.